444. Angel is saying to you today, the best way to communicate to the universe and yourself that you are ready to receive what you have been asking for is by actually believing that you can attain it. See, you often affirm that you are ready for all of your dreams to manifest, but then you go on to doubt that it will ever happen. That disconnects your alignment from the frequency of readiness. It does not go far enough. It does not genuinely true in with your desires, saying you are ready and believing that it's going to happen in divine timing is the resonance you are looking for. The blessings are rolling in. Type yes if you agree and also subscribe.